Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to show you a brand new smartwatch. This is the fitness track for your health tracker, and this is some of the function that this watch has. So let's begin. Now we are going to take a look. So this is a smartwatch. Very beautiful and simple. It comes with a charger and the using manual. So in the first page we have charging method. It's showing us how to charge it, and is showing us that is for Android and iOS, and it comes with a app. So this smartwatch has two time mode. Hard monitor calories, has a message, find the phone, stopwatch, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, steps, and other function. So now let's take a look. So to change the time mode, just hold it and you can change whatever you like. Now this is my time mode, my favorite time mode. We're going to heart monitoration, calories and distance. It's showing us the kilometer we walked and our burned calories. Now it's showing us our message, find our phone if we lost, stopwatch, and power off. This is the heart rate monitor, the blood pressure, the steps, it counts our steps. So to activate all of these, just go and press, hold it. It's gonna count now our calories. Go to running, press and hold, and now it's gonna count our steps, calories, heart rate. Now to go out, hold it. Now you can choose any other option like stopwatch, and now it's counting. Let's try it and test it. So basically it's a normal smartwatch, very easy to use and to put it on. You see, now it's counting our calories. So it's brand new and now it's functioning. Very thin and light. It has a rubber material, two-tone color, and simple to use. So this smartwatch is very great for fitness, running. So for the next video, we are going to show you how to install the app and use it. So please subscribe and turn the post notification on. See you in the next video.